Hi, in this series, I'm going to show you how I recreate high-end looks and current fashion trends by bargain shopping at resale clothing stores like Goodwill. As a former fashion model, I have always had a passion for keeping up with the latest trends, but have not always had the budget to afford the off-the-shelf looks. What I've learned is by researching these trends and looks, and then bargain hunting at local resale shops, I can recreate these looks and sometimes put my own spin on them, all while staying on budget. My name is Gigi Dior, and I'm going to show you how. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel to see the entire series. Let's go! So, how do I do this? First, I do my research online. I follow my favorite celebrities whose looks I like and certain fashion houses who I love their style. Second, I take screenshots of these looks and I head off to my favorite Goodwill shop. At that Goodwill shop, you get to start looking and you refer to the photos that you took during your research to find the items that are going to help you recreate this look. This is where the fun part starts. You may not always be able to find the exact items in the photographs, but this is where you get to put your personal touch on it and find items that are similar or that express your own personal style. So today, this is the look that I'm trying to recreate. What do you think? Super excited about this because I found these beautiful silk pants. And they're not identical to the photo, but I loved the purple accent in them. So I decided instead of a yellow tie to go with a purple tie, which kind of brought the whole thing together. I added the suspenders for a very cute, sexy, and masculine look, and the bomber jacket. So running through, the bomber jacket was $14.99 at Goodwill. The shirt was $5.99 at Goodwill. The suspenders, $2.99. The tie, $2.99. These beautiful silk pants, $6.99. And these shoes, which are Vince Camuto, are $9.99 for a grand total of $44.94. Now, this look right here for the same shirt was between $1,000 and $3,000 for name brands. For the bomber jacket, you could pay up to $6,000 for it. For the pants, they were between $1,500 and $3,000. The tie was over $200 for upwards of $13,000 for the exact same look in the fashion brands. So I happen to love my version for under $50. What do you think, guys? I'm super excited to share more of this with you. Make sure you comment, share, and like below. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel for the entire series of this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.